Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to talking about how we can create permission sets in Salesforce. So now this is something like we use a lot, especially when you don't want to mess with profiles and again. Let's see what is it and how we can create this. Okay, just imagine you already have a user with your profile. Okay, but you want to give extra or additional access like object or one app or maybe field. Do you want to change whole profile? No need to go with profile because it was too time consuming. Instead of we create one permission sets and just add extra permissions on that particular permission sets. So this is simple thing. Alright, let's do it practically. Just click on gear icon, click on setup. In left side quick find box, you need to search like permission sets. You can see permission sets. Just open that. So in here you can see the list of permission sets in your org. So I want to create new permission sets. So that's why I just click on new. So I will give the label as additional permissions. Then click on session active required. In here, you can also able to select the license, but I don't select anything. So I just go with none. Then click on save. So now initial step is completed. Next, we need to go with the actual permissions. In here, this window is very important. So if you want to give any permissions, all the things are covered in here. So if you want to give the app permissions or you want to give you need to assign the connected app permissions, that is also possible. You need to give the object settings or permissions, you can go with object settings. So currently I will go with object settings. You can also have the app permissions, Apex class access, Visual Force page access, external data source access, flow access, everything you have. So currently I will go with object settings only for example. So in here, you need to click on which object permission you need to include in this permission sets. So currently, I will include account object settings for this particular permission sets. So that's why I just open account object. You just need to click on edit. So for the account, we have two types of record type. One is customer type. Second one is existing customer like that. In the second section, we have object permissions. So object permission means we can give the read access, create access, edit access, delete access, all the access. So currently I will go with only read, create, edit. Whatever the permission you need to include these permission sets, you can select. So currently I will select read, create, edit only. So then you need to give the field permissions. So you just click on read access, edit access. Once you give everything, you just need to click on save. So now that permission sets is created and also we include some permissions and we save it. Before creating any permission sets, we need to remember some points. That is, user permission sets only for extra access. Don't overload profiles with everything. You can assign multiple permission sets to one user. In real-time example, a sales user suddenly needs to access a report. Instead of editing profile, we just create one permission sets that include report access, assign it. Actually, it will take only 2 minutes. It is more easier. So this is how we can create a permission sets in Salesforce. Very simple but powerful feature in Salesforce. So I hope you understand these things. In the next video, we will discuss how we can assign this permission set to the any user. Thank you for watching.